What's up, YouTube family? Hey, if you're not in the family, hit the subscribe button. You'll get notifications when we do new videos. I got a super encouraging word to share with you today. Last week in prayer, I always take my journal and my pen and I was writing down, and I felt the Lord speak to me this simple word: saturate to satisfy. Now, before we shot videos today, I was going through my journal, and 3 weeks ago, I got this exact same word in prayer: saturate to satisfy. So I looked up the word saturate to see what the actual meaning is. The word saturate means for something kind of like a sponge to be completely dry, but to put it into water, to be completely submerged and fully overtaken until there's not a single area left that is not saturated and overflowing in whatever it is submerged in. Now, so many times in life, people go after dreams and aspirations or plans, or they go after their future, and they did not saturate it in prayer in the presence of God. And so to truly be satisfied with anything in life, you have to make sure that you know you've made the right decisions. I can't tell you how many countless times I've talked to people about their life, about their future, about big decisions, and they're nervous, they have anxiety, they're feeling confused. And I always ask them this: have you bathed this situation in prayer? And they say, what do you mean bathed in prayer? Now, a lot of people, when they go into a time of prayer, they call it soaking. That's when they usually put on worship music and they'll just go be quiet before the Lord. They want to be fully saturated, so when they come out, they are 100% sure that they know they're making the right decision. A lot of people do this when they're launching a new business, before they move geographical locations, before they move to another job or entrepreneur a business or pick a college. So when you make big decisions of your life, to make sure that you are completely satisfied, make sure you saturate those decisions in the place of prayer. I can't tell you how many times this is how I've ended counseling sessions. Stop. Go saturate this decision in prayer. Then when you're completely full of knowing you made the right decision, then you can move on it. Then and only then will somebody's soul be satisfied. The Bible even says that you need to know that you know you're making the right decision with the Lord. And whenever you know God speaks to you and you know that you've heard the Lord on something, nobody can talk you out of it. 10,000 voices cannot talk you out of what you know God the Father has spoken to you. So when you saturate your life in the place of prayer, your life will be satisfied. I'm telling you, my friends, I'm living my life to the fullest because weekly, privately, and corporately in prayer, I saturate my life with prayer, with God. Therefore, I live my life satisfied. I live my life to the fullest. The things that I know God wants me to have, I have. There's things that God doesn't want me to have. There are amazing ministry opportunities that are not my opportunities. So if a door opens up, I won't step into them because my life is saturated in God. Therefore, I'm going to make the right decisions. I hope this video encouraged you, equipped you, and challenged you. Now, if you're feeling confusion or anxiety about anything, when this video is over, after you've left a comment, after you've hit the like button, go saturate those decisions, those things that are bringing fear and anxiety to you, and go and spend that time with prayer and allow God to saturate you so your life and your soul will be satisfied to the fullest. My friends, I hope this video helped you. And if you're not part of our YouTube family, hit the subscribe button, because my wife and I are giving our life to continually put words on here that will help transform you to reach your God destiny.